Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. For today guys, I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from PayPal to Cash App. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the application. Or of course you can go to paypal.com as I did and be on their website. Of course after that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to PayPal if you already do not have a profile. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. As you can see, here we have the home, send, we have the wallet, activity and help options. And we also have the send request and a lot of different options here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and withdraw money from PayPal to Cash App. Of course, open the PayPal app at your PayPal balance on home screen. Link your bank account to PayPal if you haven't already, which you can do on link card or bank here. Then tap transfer and transfer to bank. Choose either the instant transfer or standard transfer. In the Cash App, tap the icon, select the amount and add cash and add funds from your bank account. By using a desktop, log into your PayPal account on the website, click on wallet menu, which is the third option here as you can see. Link your bank account to PayPal if needed. As I told you, you have the button here. Click transfer money, then choose transfer to your bank. Select the instant transfer or standard transfer. Add the transferred funds to your Cash App balance. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.